Hey, what's up guys? Dustin Heiner here with Master Passive Income. Now, I want to talk to you about something that is relatively new. It's a combination of two different terms. It's called wholetailing. Not wholesaling or flipping or anything like that, but it's wholetailing. Wholetailing is a new way to make money in real estate. Now, a quick back history of what wholetailing is, the combination of two different things. So, we all know what flipping is. We basically find a property, we buy it, we put a lot of money into it, we fix it up, we rehab it, maybe rip out the kitchen, rip out the bathroom, put new stuff, everything in, and spend a lot of money on the property to make it so I can sell it for more. That's flipping. We see all the TV shows on HGTV and all that stuff showing you how to do that. Now, wholesaling is also something in real estate where we buy and sell properties, but not just buy and sell, you also don't even need to buy the property. You can get it assigned to you, or you have a contract. Basically, you walk to a seller and you put the property that they own under contract, which means they agree to sell you the property for a certain price. But then you use the term and or assigns, and in the description below, you're going to see I have an entire article showing you how to use and or assigns, and that is a fantastic way to utilize the contract to then assign it to somebody else. It's like magic words that are going to help you in your contracts. So go to the show notes, go to the description below this, and go to the and or assigns where I walk you through exactly how to use it, because what that's going to allow you to do is take that contract. You have the seller, you agree on a price. Let's say it's $100,000. But it's worth $130,000. You get the property under contract for $100,000 where you could buy it for $100,000. But you're not going to do that. You're then going to assign that contract, that right to buy it for $100,000 to a investor or somebody else. And you're going to tack on like just a nominal fee, maybe like $3,000 or $5,000 to the investor to pay for that. And then you make $5,000. The property doesn't even go into your name. It goes directly to the buyer, and you're just a middleman, just like a realtor. I, as an investor, I own 30 plus properties, and I teach people how to invest in rental properties. And I absolutely love using wholesalers because wholesalers are amazing. They make me money hand over fist because while I'm sleeping, they're working their tails off, and they send me emails every single morning. I'll be sipping my cup of coffee and reading the newspaper, but then, hey, I got an email. Hey, a wholesaler just sent me an email with a good property. Let me look at it. I'll analyze it, and then I'll probably buy the properties. I get so many wholesalers sending me deals, but they make money, and it's worthwhile for them to make money, and it's worthwhile for me because they brought me a deal. I didn't do any work. Now, wholetailing is where you combine both of those together, flipping and wholesaling together. So instead of wholesaling, you are going to actually do the work yourself, but you're not going to do it so crazy like you're not going to actually rip out the kitchen. You're not going to rip out the bathrooms. You're not going to remodel or add a whole nother addition. You're not going to do that. But what you are going to do is you're going to make it nice enough for a normal person that was just, not the, really, really fancy, high expensive. Like, let's say you buy it for $100,000 and you put in $10,000 with painting and, just changing out the electrical lights and the sockets and stuff like that. But you spend $10,000 instead of $50,000. Remember, $50,000 would be a whole flip. Instead of doing that, you spend $10,000 and you do things like paint the house. Inside and out. You make the yard look good. You just make it look really appealing. Maybe put new carpet in. So you do a few things as opposed to big remodels. And then what you do, instead of selling it for like, $250,000 or $200,000, you sell it. So you bought it for $100,000. You put $10,000 into it, so you're $110,000 into the property. Let's say you sell it for $130,000. Well, you just made $20,000. Now, we need to make sure that we get the real estate fees and everything in there. So let's say we market the property at $140,000. Well, it shows much better because you have all the previous owners' stuff out. You took out all their junk or whatever it was. You cleaned up the house. You make it look really, really nice. Very presentable for everybody, so that then you are now able to resell that property at a better price. Not something like you actually added another room, you remodeled the kitchen, not that type of price, but you're still making, instead of wholesaling, you're making $3,000 to $5,000. Flipping, you're going to make about $100,000, give or take. But if you're wholetailing, you might be making about $30,000, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000, depending on the property, depending on how much you buy it for and how much you put into it. And so that's what wholetailing is all about. And so it's a combination. So this is just another tool in a real estate investor's tool belt. Just like rental properties are fantastic, flipping is fantastic, wholesaling is fantastic. Now wholetailing is fantastic as well. So I want you to be completely successful in your real estate investing business. So add wholetailing into your business, and there are so many steps. Go to the show notes page in the description. I'll walk you through the entire process on how to do this. But you guys are fantastic. Again, Dustin Heiner here with Master Passive Income. I want to give you my free real estate investing course. I want you to go to masterpassiveincome.com/free course and click that link, and I will give you that free course in order to basically figure out how to invest in real estate rental properties. I have 30 plus properties, and I want to show you how to do it, how to analyze the numbers, how to find properties, how to have property managers, and how to make the property business automatic, where you don't do any work. I'm going to show you all that. And you guys are awesome. Thank you so much for being here. Fantastic. I'll see you in the next video. See ya.